Today we're checking out the all-new 2026 BMW X3, the compact luxury SUV that blends everyday usability with premium performance. Let's dive in. The 2026 X3 carries forward BMW's bold design language with a refreshed look that's understated yet modern. Sleek lines, balanced proportions, and refined details make it stand out in the compact luxury SUV class. For 2026, BMW has upgraded interior materials for a more premium feel and introduced refined finishes throughout the cabin. Small changes like soft touch surfaces and updated trim give this SUV a truly upscale atmosphere. The base X3 xDrive 30 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing around 255 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive, giving a smooth and responsive drive on city streets or the open highway. For those craving more sportiness, the X3 M50 ups the game with a 3.0-liter turbo inline-6 delivering around 393 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration and dynamic driving character. Inside, the X3 boasts the latest BMW iDrive 9 infotainment system with a large curved display that integrates advanced navigation and intuitive controls. You get multiple input options, touchscreen, rotary dial, and voice commands, all designed to keep your focus on the road. With generous cargo space and comfortable seating, the 2026 X3 is built for daily life and weekend adventures alike. Standard driver assists, refined ride quality, and smart interior ergonomics make it a great choice for families and enthusiasts. On the road, the X3 delivers the balanced dynamics you expect from BMW: composed handling, confident steering, and confident power delivery. Whether cruising or cornering, it's poised and engaging. So, if you're looking for a premium SUV that's practical, packed with tech, and capable of spirited driving, the 2026 BMW X3 is worth a close look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want us to cover next. See you in the next video.